Most people don't need to earn more money. They need to stop spending like every paycheck is a lottery win. You say you want to get rich, but the second money lands in your account, you're at Starbucks, Amazon, and DoorDash like they're all getting paid first. Living below your means isn't sexy, but it's the ultimate cheat code to wealth. It means you spend way less than you earn, save the difference, and invest it so that future you isn't begging for a loan at 50. If you think, oh, I'll just make more money one day, guess what? Broke people say that all the time. Rich people, on the other hand, manage what they already have, like their life depends on it. So let's break this down. No vague motivational talk, no just manifest wealth nonsense. Here's exactly how you live below your means and stop staying broke forever. Step 1. Track every single penny. You can't fix what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spend. Coffee, write it. Snacks, write it. Random Amazon impulse buy at 2 a.m., write it. Most people think they spend less than they actually do. Then they track it for real and realize they're bleeding hundreds of dollars every month on junk. That's your wake-up call. Once you know where your money goes, you can control it. Right now, your money is controlling you. Step 2, create a monthly budget. Don't roll your eyes. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's freedom. It's like telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Here's a simple plan. If you make $2,000 a month, put 50% $1,000 toward needs like rent and food, 30% $600 for wants, and 20% $400 for savings or debt. Even if you earn $200, the rule stays the same. You just adjust the numbers. So $600 for needs, $360 for wants, $240 for savings or debt payoff. Step 3, cut fake luxuries. You don't need 5 streaming subscriptions. You don't need a $6 coffee every day. You don't need to eat out 4 times a week. If you spend $15 a day on lunch, that's $450 a month. Cut that in half, pack food from home, and you just saved $225. Money you can invest instead of wasting. Step 4, automate your savings. Treat it like a bill. If you get paid on the first, set an automatic transfer on the second to move $50, $100, or whatever you can afford into savings. Money you don't see is money you don't spend. And when it comes to saving, out of sight is out of mind, in a good way. Even saving just $50 a month equals $600 a year. Invest that with a 7% average return for 20 years, and you'll have over $26,000 without lifting another finger. Step 5, change your money mindset. Stop buying things to impress people who don't even like you. Stop saying, I deserve it, every time you want something you can't afford. Charlie Munger is a billionaire and still drives a regular car. Meanwhile, some of you can't even afford gas for the brand new car you leased to look successful. Step 6, avoid lifestyle creep. This happens when you earn more money and instantly upgrade everything. Your apartment, your car, your clothes. Instead, keep living like you used to and invest the extra cash. Think about it. If you get a $500 raise and immediately increase your rent by $400, you've gained nothing. But if you invest that $500 every month, in 10 years, you'll have over $80,000. Step 7, separate wants from needs. Needs keep you alive. Wants keep you broke. Groceries, need. Eating sushi 3 times a week. Want. Before you buy something, ask, do I need this, or do I just want to feel good for 10 seconds? Spoiler, it's almost always the second one. Step 8, use cash for wants. Swipe culture is killing people. Handing over real money hurts more than tapping a card. Try taking out actual cash for things like eating out. It's a game changer. Step 9, stop keeping up with people richer than you. Just because someone your age bought a house doesn't mean you're behind. They might be drowning in debt. Your goal isn't to look rich. It's to actually be rich. There's a huge difference. Step 10, invest early, even if it's small. If you save $100 a month starting at 20, you'll have way more at 60 than someone who starts at 35, even if they save double. The earlier you start, the more compound interest does the heavy lifting for you. Step 11, be frugal, not cheap. Cheap means buying junk that breaks. Frugal means being smart with your money. Buy quality, but buy less. You don't need 10 pairs of sneakers if you only wear 3 of them. Step 12, stop financing everything. Payments make you feel rich until you realize you're broke every month. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. Credit card companies love impulsive spenders because that's where they make their money. Don't be their customer of the year. Step 13. Set guilt-free fun money. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy your cash. Give yourself a small budget every month to blow however you want. When you plan for fun money, you don't feel deprived. And you don't sabotage your whole budget by splurging randomly. Step 14. Fix your circle. If all your friends spend recklessly, guess what? You'll spend recklessly too. Find people who actually talk about saving, investing, and building wealth. Money habits are contagious. Choose your influences wisely. Step 15. Remember, living below your means isn't forever. It's the bridge to financial freedom. Once your investments grow, you can upgrade life guilt-free. But if you can't control $2,000 a month, you won't magically control $10,000 a month. At the end of the day, living below your means is about discipline. It's boring. It's unglamorous. But it's the one thing that works every single time. Your future self will thank you for the sacrifices you make today. So stop waiting. Write your budget. Automate your savings. Cut the fluff. And start building a life you don't need a vacation from. Because the truth is, the only thing worse than being broke today is staying broke forever. If you actually want to learn more about saving money, budgeting smart, and investing like a pro, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later.